guys! Welcome back to another vlog here in my channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna welcome you to my new home! Char! It's just a staycation, guys. And I'm here right now at Dandin's exclusive suite, and I'm gonna tour you here, guys. You can find it on Airbnb, and it's really perfect sa mga private events like birthdays, group gatherings, reunions, weddings. They're also catering weddings or prenup shoot. So for now, I'm just gonna give you a full Dandin's room tour, house tour, and let's go. Tada! Yan guys, ayaw na ito sagwa. Mamaya siya makita mo sagwa. Mas namin pagit if makasulod na ta. Ang Dandin's, it's located somewhere here at Alijis, pero hindi lang ko na maghambal. Kaya ginahatag lang ang address ng mga sure nga nag-book na diri sa Dandin's. So, let's go! Let's do a house tour, room tour. So this is the balcony, guys. This is the balcony. Mirror to fish pond. Pero pakita ko lang later. It's connecting to indoor gardens ng Dandin's. Safety protocol lang ni Dandin's, guys. So the owner is going to meet you here upon reservation and i-check yung temperature and ginasanitize ka din yung mga hands. Slippers, shoes, hinabilindi. Early pa nag-decorate si Sir Dan sang Christmas vibe na din. Living room, guys. Living room, dining area. Nami. It's very cute. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree. Mga birds. Ang design. Ang ganda kasi parang yung nakikita mo sa Pinterest. Aesthetic interiors. So this is the dining area. Bongga gold. Yung uso ngayon ng mga dried flowers. Amoy siya ang indoor garden. Pwede ka breakfast and everything na indoor garden. Then, koi pond. Manandog ta dito. Chin. Koi. Ay, tsaka. So, this is the kitchen area. We have a microwave na and refrigerator. So Sir Dan is selling here mga cokes and other beverages. So this is the price list ng sa ref. Coke Zero. Char. And they're also selling macaroons. Kompleto naman siya sa mga condiments, guys. So if you're planning to marinate food for grill, you can use these condiments. So over here is the dirty kitchen. Naman siya ang dirty kitchen. Dandin's has 4 rooms. There is sa ground floor. We have 1 room and 1 bathroom. So this is the first room. Oh my god, ang ganda. And we have the ground floor na bathroom. So, meron ng mga toiletries, guys, na pinaprovide dito sa Dandin's. Ang ganda ng mga interiors ng Dandin's. Parang bet na bet talaga ng mga plantitas at plantitos. Yan, ang daming plants. Plants here, here, and here. Yung 3 rooms nasa taas. So this is the first room.
Hi! Welcome to our first room.
Subscribe to Lexplorations PH. Ay tara, Lex na sa gali. Nag-rebranding sa gali.
Ano kita na kami mga bata-bata para sa photos.
Sa photos. So, mani ang first room. So, mayroon di patawhayan. Can watch Netflix here. And hi, Freddy. This is the second room. What I like about this room naman niya is, you know, pag bugtaw mo, ito na yung bubungad sa'yo. So, malanta to din sila nga terrace. Sayang kasi umulan, guys. I saw some pictures of Serdan and ang ganda ng sunset when you're here at the terrace. And syempre, iulihi ko yun ang pinaka-the best nga room, which is the master's bedroom. I have my room for tonight. Char! Proud. Dun, 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 dun. So, this is the master's bedroom, guys. Super ganda. Oh my gosh, harap akong bag. I'm so sorry. So, when you enter the master's bedroom, you have a walk-in closet. Nilagay ko na yung mga clothes ko dito for photoshoot. Actually, dapat kanina pa kami mag-photoshoot. Kaso, sabi ko, ano muna, ha-house tour muna ako. Kahit saglit. We have the bathroom, guys. Here. Hi. Towels, cotton buds, cotton balls, mga toiletries provided na. And so over here is the bathtub. And dito is yung shower area. Ito naman tayo sa aking bedroom. So, lipay-lipay ang bata. Siyempre, kaya ako lang nisubong ang gabi. Ako ni kalapad nga room. Naman yung master's bedroom, guys. We have a queen size bed. Queen size or king size, I don't know. May bed dito, 2 lamps. And we have a working space here, which is good kasi mag-edit pa ako ng mga backlogs ko. A full-size body mirror and a mini terrace. Yan! So, magbibihis muna ako, guys, for my photoshoot. Siyempre, my photoshoot is some semi-photoshoots lang to cater the beauty of Dandin's exclusive suite. So, later na lang. Hey guys! Char! Kakatapos lang namin mag-photoshoot. It's already evening. After photoshoot, we prepared dinner. And manugkaon na kami. Ito na to kanday like sa dano. Watching Blackpink in Netflix. Let's go down! Hey guys!
Hi! Welcome to this exclusive.
Kain tayo, besh! Na! Rinawan pa niya po. Wow! Chicken soup! Oh my gosh. Yeah, may side dish. Balay sa friend, do. Hindi yung mabing-bang.
Ang sauce.
Let's eat!
Yes.
Guys, so kakatapos lang namin kumain. We're gonna resume our photoshoot later, mga 9 p.m. But for now, relax muna. Ang ganda ng master's bedroom nila. It's like you're nag-check-in ka sa parang 5-star na hotel in Manila. Something like that. So, Dandin's suite, yung charge nila per overnight is by room. If you want to book here at Dandin Suites, you can check their Airbnb or their Facebook page for reservations or updated rates nila. Pero usually parang around 2,000 plus ata yung room. May Netflix dito, so solve ka na. Hi, Lex!
Hello! Photoshoot. Char.
Netflix and chill and snacks and wine. We have soju, wine, chips. Yakult. Ang sarap ng soju tsaka Yakult. Watching sunod. Ha? But we still have our photo shoot in this wonderful bathroom. morning! Good morning! It's 7 a.m. in the morning here at Dandin's. Actually, early pa ako nakabugtaw. I'm just editing my back vlogs. We're gonna cook breakfast, anay. We're gonna start another photoshoot na naman this Dandin's. Wala pa kami ka-photoshoot sa mga bedrooms, sa balcony, sa terrace, sa outdoor nga garden. So, tapos na siya namon before we check out. Chef Fredo in the house! Wow!
Calling ko gini.
Also have pancakes. Going back to my room. No, hindi ka kwarto. If you don't have work, do pwede ka maka lazy day. Kiddo sila tong in charge sa breakfast. Di pa ako edit. Ma-edit lang ko din guys. Okay, natawid na sige.
Dito sabi mo ba?
Sana all, CEO. Hi, sir. Good morning. Are you name a breakfast, sir? Badyang is sir.
Cost 500,000 pesos.
Seryoso, wala.
Oh, mahal na siya. Subo.
Oh my gosh. Grabe yun, si Sir Dan. Certified plantito. For yung indoor garden. Ma-breakfast kami. Kanami lang ka-view. We have the koi pond here. And sa likod, garden. Mini garden. With all of Sir Dan's plants nga mga nagnian. Fishy. Magkakadamo-damo sila. Amon nga breakfast. Naman sponsor. Star Magic Cheese Corned Beef.
Virginia hotdog. Nakini Pansit Canton. Fresh lines from Magnolia. And basta ikot na naman mga logos. Char lang! Char!
That's it, guys. Hey guys, so I'm just fixing my bag. Kaya duga-duga ma-check out na kami. Check out here at Dandin's is 11. Last thoughts, super nami ka Dandin's. And if you're planning to have a simple, short city escape, tawhay lang ideya. Taway. Peaceful ng lugar, guys. And if you plan to do some simple staycation, reunions, Barkada reunions, or simple events, you can go here at Dandin's because for me, this is one of the most perfect staycations that I have here in Bacolod City. I'm just gonna end this vlog, guys, kay I'll be fixing my things pa. But I hope that I gave full justice on the beauty of Dandin's exclusive suite. And this is their Facebook page. Pwede ka message sa ila for reservations or for inquiries about the rooms overnight. So, if you like this video, guys, please do give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comments down below. Bye-bye! Till next travel vlog.